Welcome to Honeyy Group. Honeyy Group presents luxurious individual house construction within the client budget, all over the India. We are done plenty of projects. This is one of our completed project. Just take a look. Male gate with copper steel. Common area, anti-skid tiles with Johnson Company. Main door design take wood door. Customized design, beautifully decorated hall space. Separated puja mandir. Flooring Johnson 4x4 branded GVT tiles. Kitchen, black granite frame countertop, wall dado up to 3 feet, exhaust fan provision. Customized design shelves. Utility, stainless steel taps, municipal water, borewell water, wall dado up to 3 feet, anti-skid tiles. Washrooms, sanitary given with branded company, wall dado up to 8 feet, anti-skid tiles, coated with Dr. Fix-It. Customized bedroom design, 4x4 GVT tiles, UPVC windows, complete wall paintings. Customized design shelves.